This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pivot up the radiator grille badge, insert the key, and rotate it anti-clockwise to release the catch. Now rotate the key clockwise to release the safety catch and lift the bonnet. Support the bonnet with the prop. With the ignition turned off, open the engine compartment fuse box and remove the number 12 fuse for the fuel pump. Now, if possible, start the engine and allow it to idle until it dies. Release the clip at the side and remove the cover from the battery. Slacken the nut, then using a twisting motion, pull the negative lead clamp from the battery terminal. Position it to one side to prevent accidental reconnection. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the sill and raise the right-hand rear corner of the vehicle. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the sill. The fuel filter is located at the front right-hand corner of the fuel tank. Prise out the clip a little and disconnect the evaporative emission pipe in front of the filter. Undo the bolt and lower the filter and bracket assembly. Prise out the clip and disconnect the fuel pipe from the filter. Have a container at hand to catch the fuel. Prise out the clip and disconnect the pipe at the other end of the filter. Manoeuvre the filter and bracket from place, then slacken the bolt and slide the old filter from the bracket. Note the arrow on the filter indicating fuel flow. Insert the new filter into the bracket with the fuel flow arrow in the right direction, i.e. towards the engine. Tighten the bracket bolt securely. Manoeuvre the new filter and bracket into position. Engage the filter with the pipe from the fuel tank, pushing the pipe firmly onto the filter, then press the locking clip into the coupling to secure it. Remove the cap, push the fuel delivery pipe firmly onto the filter, then secure it by pressing the locking clip into place. Refit and securely tighten the filter bracket retaining bolt. Reconnect the emission pipe and press the locking clip into the coupling. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Locate the negative lead clamp over the terminal, then push it down and tighten the clamp nut. Ensure the lead is securely reconnected. Refit the battery cover, ensuring the retaining clip engages correctly. Refit the fuel pump fuse and close the fuse box lid. Unhook the prop and lower the bonnet firmly. Remove the key and pivot over the badge.